Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. This is Wakey Two Wheels, and my name's Matt. And today, we're getting high. Very high. Roll the music. Yeah, so you can probably tell that I haven't picked a 125 friendly route today, and it is purely because of time constraints. Really, it is very easy to get a 125 route to where we're going today. It's forecasting heavy thunderstorms and rain later on, and I don't want to be in the middle of the Dales dealing with that. So yeah, we're in a contraflow at the moment, 50 mile an hour, but we're going up the M1. There's a lot of construction going on. If you haven't guessed where we're going yet, we're going to a place called the Tan Hill Inn, and it is the highest pub in England. I'll tell you more about it a bit further down the road. The reason I don't take the motorway is because it's boring and it's a bit more dangerous. I'm not scared of taking the motorway, but I like going for a ride so I can enjoy it, not so I can scream it down the road and get covered in flies. Don't know what that is, but you do occasionally get some nice scenery. I mean, look at that. That's not bad. It's not bad at all, that. Right, so I'm still on the motorway. I've been on the motorway for a good 30 miles now. Still got about 20 to go. I am absolutely knackered because this is some hard riding. I've just gone past Lightwater Valley. It's nice and flat out here, I like that. But my visor is absolutely covered in dead bugs. Right, we're just coming off at Lemming Spa rest area just to get the bike cooled down and give my knuckles a rest. And whilst I'm there, I'm going to have a look at my front forks because I think my front forks are leaking. I'm not sure yet, but from what I can see here, they've oh, my fucking legs. Jeez. Oh, sorry, not Lemon Spa, it's Lemon Bar Services. Oh, there we go. Bloody hell. Oh, the legs, the arms, oh, the neck. Oh, wow. I'm going to make sure I've got plenty of fuel. Roll it in a slurpy slurp. I'm pretty sure I've burnt off a lot there. Motorway driving. I don't mind it, but it's knackering. Things I do to make a video for you guys. Oh, there we go, we're full. Yes. Oh. Ooh. Sorry, mate. Miles away. Red Bull. Oh. Oh. Hello, my love. That's the one. Ta, love. Oh. Brilliant. Oh, thank you, love. See you later. Alright, let us get parked up over there, I think. Or we'll find some cheeky grass somewhere. Yeah. This is it, this is where we stop. Oh, I sit down, a smoke and a can of Red Bull. Not sponsored, I wish it was. Right, well, I've had a little standstill, rest my legs. I've just done a basic nut and bolts check on the bike, which I always do if I'm going up motorway. I just check it along the way, everything looks good, it's running well. We are now full of fuel. So, the only thing left to do is get to the going. Now it appears that I do have some fork fluid coming out, but I won't call it a leak. I think it's just a little bit of fork fluid, like just normal fork fluid coming out. Anyway, let's get to the going. Right, there we go. And we're off. So, we are going to get back on the motorway. Yeah, we're going to get back up motorway, I believe, for another 13 miles at least. Right, so we are coming up to Richmond exit, which is exit 53. We're going towards Richmond and Bra, whatever that's called, Penrith. It'd be nice to get off the motorway. This isn't a bad motorway actually, A1. On a Sunday, it's been really nice. As soon as you get past Leeds, it clears right out. But, yeah, motorway driving, not my favourite thing. You need a cruiser bike for motorway driving. Big Goldwing or a Harley or something like that, that's what they're designed for. So A66 Penrith, that's where we're going. So we have just passed the border for Cumbria. We're actually officially in Cumbria now. That's amazing, I love that. And these posts here, if you don't know them, these are for bad weather. Because the snow gets that bad up here, it can be 6 foot deep of snow. And these are marker posts for the people to come up and try and clear the road. Oh dear, oh yes. Wow. Okay, are we going down there? Is that where we're going? This is where we're going? Way. Wow. Okay. I'll be careful of the Morrison's van coming the other way. This is a very narrow road. You are a gentleman. I mean, look at that. Look at that. That's where I'm riding. You can't beat the view. You cannot beat the view. I am absolutely loving this. Wow. Hello, sheep. Hello, sheep. Oh. Do you know something? Getting back into motorbikes was the best thing I ever did. I mean, it could kill me one day, but up until that point, it is the best thing I could have ever done. Oh, we've got more Wakeys. Alright guys, how we doing? Alright mate? Hello there. Right, and we're turning left. Alright, for anybody who's never ridden out anywhere like this before, let me shut my lid. A few bits of... oh, look at them lambs. Look at you two. Oh, shit. Little bit of safety advice. If you look in front of me now, gravel everywhere. Not so much a problem on this bike, but sports bikes, naked bikes, anything like that, yeah, if you've got like semi-slick tyres on, just be careful, just please be careful. Also, a lot of animals, a lot of farm animals, a lot of farm traffic, and that means you've got mud and crap on the roads basically. And I think the other thing I've said in other videos, these kind of places, bad weather can still kill you. Right, so we're talking frost, we're talking high winds, heavy rain, stuff like that. If you get caught out here, they can kill you. Wow, that is kind of steep. So we're climbing here. I mean, this is absolutely stunning. Apparently we're 4 miles away. 9 minutes. Oh, look at this. This is like riding through the set of Lord of the Rings or something like that. I'm a cyclist. Look at it out here. Wow. Yeah, I couldn't imagine doing this in bad weather. And look at that. Nothing for miles. And my signal's completely gone on my phone. Right, there are animals in the road, so I have to be careful here. Well, not in the road yet, but there are the wild on grasslands. God, these views just get better and better. Wow. That's an old farmhouse. You see how the road is just eroded away. Oh wow, look at that view. Look at that view. That's where we've just come from. What an amazing landscape. And there we are. People camping, look. And lots of bikers. Oh. Right guys, as always, get my shit together. I'll show you around a bit. Yorkshire. I don't look that grey in person. I don't know what the camera does to me to make me look that grey. But yeah, here we are at Tan Hill. See people up there on the peak there. You can hear all the bikes. Now, I've never been here before. Wow. Definitely coming here again. Definitely coming here again. It's stunning. There's just nothing around for miles. There's loads of bikers just pulled up now, so it looks like weather's going to hold out for us because they know best. Bikers always know best. Well, I can see why this place is so popular. It's just amazing. People keep pulling up. It's constant on the go. The place inside is packed solid. I was going to see if I could get something to eat, but no chance. The menu, the meat that I saw on people's tables looks amazing. Amazing. And the selection of beer they've got on, top notch. Just stunned with the place, I really am. I was hoping for a night. I didn't want it to be like a Toby Carvery in the middle of nowhere. Did not disappoint this place. It's stunning. Right. Well, I'm going to finish my smoke and then get back on the bike and tell you what I think of the place. Bye for now. That is a very nice curly. I love old bikes like that. Right. This is us pulling away from Tan Hill. Let's get some gone. Look at them puppies, hello. Oh, it's even better coming back. Look at that. Right, ladies and gentlemen, first of all, tell me what you guys think. If you've been here before, what would it like for you? Has anybody ever come here in bad weather? Wow. Wow. I can imagine that being an absolute git. There's a sheep on the road. There is as well, there's a sheep on the road. See, this is what you have to look out for. There you are. You have to make sure they don't kick out as well. But yeah, so Tan Hill, what can we say about Tan Hill? What a stunning, stunning pub. I was kind of hoping it wasn't going to be like I said, just like a Toby Carvery up in the middle of a field. Didn't disappoint. That is a brilliant pub. It's done out so nice inside. There are loads. Welcome to Cumbria. There are loads of tables, but the place was packed solid. I can imagine. Yeah, I mean, look around. You can imagine why it's a tourist spot. Whee! But yeah, this is amazing. The food looked absolutely fantastic. I'll try and put a menu up for you to have a look at. The selection of beer. Ooh, I do not encourage drink riding, but by hell I was tempted. Because there were some dark porters on there that I could have sunk into. Whoa. Yes. The staff were doing really well, bless them. There were only 2 lasses behind the bar, handling it really well. A hell of a queue on. There were a good 15-minute queue for the bar. Lots of friendly bikers around the place. There we go. But I mean, what makes that place is the ride. I mean, look around you. Or should I say, look around me. Absolutely stunning. I can imagine it being a bit of a git in bad weather. But wow, what a destination. Oh, there's tracks going up that hill. I want to go up that hill. But yeah, if it doesn't matter what size bike you've got, I would definitely come down. You can very easily get a 125 down here. I am currently now going home on a 125 friendly route. It's just with time constraints and threats of weather. Hello guys, you alright mate? I just wanted to get here a bit quicker, just in case, but I don't mind getting caught in rain on the way home. But wow, I have thoroughly enjoyed this ride today. I am so glad I decided to come out, because I woke up very tired this morning. I didn't want to come out and I had to force myself into the saddle. Paying attention here, I couldn't imagine coming off that edge there. That is a hell of a drop. Staying in third gear. I wish it could have been a bit of a clearer day for you. It would have made a better video of scenery wise, but still absolutely stunning there. There's sheep, random sheep everywhere. Hello sheep. The pub itself has accommodation, what looks like glamping. I'm not sure on that, but you know the glamping domes that you can camp in? I think I got some in the footage. There's a few more of them around the back of the place, so you might be able to go glamping there. But it does say accommodation, so you can spend the night there. Whee. But look around you. This is where you're going to be riding. But yeah, I would definitely recommend that you come and check out Tan Hill Inn. You will not regret the ride. Even if you don't stop at the pub, just come up here for a ride. It is absolutely stunning. I can't say that enough. Oh. But yeah, I'm going to sign off for the day, and I'm going to enjoy the rest of this ride. But this part of the ride is just for me, I'm afraid. I can't share everything. But I will leave you all to your days, all you good people out there. I will wish you the best of days, and I will see you all out there. And I will see you in the next episode. Bye for now. going. Oh, wouldn't you know it, I have put my gloves on and left my bike keys in my back pocket. I'm seeing camels. That's a camel. Those are 3 camels. Those are camels. I'm turning in. I don't give a shit. I'm sorry, but those are camels. What the hell? Hello, camels.